Hi there, welcome back to Dukascopy TV. I'm Ben Jones. The tension between China and Vietnam is escalating further, with naval vessels from both sides continuing to square off. On the line, I have Anh Pham from MB Securities in Vietnam to discuss the current situation and the potential damaging effects it could have on the Vietnamese economy. Now Anh, the tension between China and Vietnam is escalating as the waters in the South China Sea remain disputed. Has the Vietnamese economy experienced any damage from this as of yet? And how will this affect growth?
Yes, to some extent it has, but so far the damage has not been very serious. So the demonstration against China in some industrial zones turned violent. Some people damaged Chinese and Taiwanese that mistook Chinese factories, and hundreds of enterprises have to postpone or delay their production. That certainly had some negative impacts on Vietnam export and GDP growth in the second quarter of the year. However, the problem is now resolved. The situation is now in a good order. Most of the affected firms have been back to their normal operation.
Now, this situation doesn't seem like it will resolve very easily. What effect could this dispute have on trade across Southeast Asia? And if tensions continue to escalate, how will Vietnam's economy be affected?
Yes, the dispute doesn't seem to be easy to resolve. Vietnam and other countries in Southeast Asia have huge trade with China. For Vietnam, the trade between Vietnam and China accounted for about 25 to 30% of GDP annually. Vietnam also has a huge trade with other Asian countries. If the tension continues, it will threaten maritime security. Trade and investment in the region may be cancelled or delayed. But remember that the tensions are now between Vietnamese people and Chinese government, not between Vietnamese and Chinese enterprises. Both benefit from each other. So I expect that the economic activities between the two countries are not seriously affected.
And finally, Japan and the US have both recently condemned China for its actions. Do you think that Vietnam would benefit from strengthening their relationship with Japan, seeing as Japan seem more than willing to aid them?
Yes, I do think by strengthening the relationship with Japan, Vietnam would have a chance to escape from China's shadow. The economy would much benefit if Vietnam can take advantage of Japanese investment and advanced technology. I think that it is very positive signal for Vietnam's economic and political reform as well. However, whether or not Vietnam can take this opportunity depending on the willingness of some Vietnamese top leaders, and I expect that they will take the chance.
And thank you very much for joining me today. That's all we've got time for, I'm afraid. Keep clicking back, as later on Darren McDermott will be discussing the Bank of Canada rate decision. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.